Hello, babies! How are you? I hope you are good and safe at home. Today, we're going to review the list number 2 of some irregular verbs. Remember, irregular verbs change completely. We use the irregular verbs in the simple past tense. So, let's get started. Remember to pay attention and repeat at home. Have. The past of have is had. Have, had. Have, had. Eat. Eat. Ate. Eat. Ate. Eat. Ate. Sing, sang. Sing, sang. Cut, cut. It's the same. Cut, cut. Easy, right? Cut, cut. Make, made. Make, made. Drive, drove. Drive, drove. Grite, growed. Grite, growed. Grite, growed. Very good, babies. Nice job. So remember to study and practice all of the regular verbs, okay? See you in class.